I'm busy at my laptop typing away on how to beat coronavirus naturally, and I have the evidence backed with gut health stuff, which is really like I'm over the moon that they've actually finally looked into gut health and how it's had a huge impact on COVID-19 patients. So they found that the most severe cases is all to do with an altered gut microbiome, which I've been preaching since March 2020 when this all started. And obviously, like, this is what I'm like passionate about, which is hence the reason why I wrote all about it, so just remind yourself, guys, about the immune health and how important it is. And if you're not taking care of it, you're leaving yourself more vulnerable to be sick from the virus, and also potentially die from the virus. So it is about taking care of your immune health. Don't just sit on your ass and be like, I don't want to get it, I'm going to stay in the house. You're creating fear in yourself, which is lowering your immune system, and fear also alters the gut microbiome. So remember, you've got good bacteria, you've got bad bacteria, and you have things like gut dysbiosis. You also have small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. You also have leaky gut, and the majority of patients who have chronic illnesses will all have leaky gut, which is what I wrote about in this book, Beauty in the Gut. And that's what I've been teaching in workshops for the last, however many years now, that in order to heal from chronic illnesses, you have to look into your gut health, and that's with the leaky gut, and heal the leaky gut in the small intestine. Because if you do that, then you can start to heal and repair the body. But unfortunately, I've not been allowed to do any of my workshops since last year because of lockdown, which is such a huge shame, because they keep going on about how the NHS is struggling. Well, they wouldn't be if they actually had some support from people like me who want to help people with their health. This is about prevention and also recovery from it too. So there are certain things that are easy, like I get messages from people saying, but Danny, I can't be like you, it's not about like being like me. There are certain supplements that will just stop that cytokine storm that I keep going on about. It's really simple if you just understand it, and that's why I'm writing the second book, How to Beat Coronavirus Naturally. But while I'm working on that, if anyone hasn't bought Beauty in the Gut, it's all on there on the gut microbes, because they are having an impact on COVID-19 patients. And I just think everyone needs to be more aware that you have a powerful immune system that is there willing to help you if you just give it the right support. And if you're not giving it support, then it's going to do destruction in yourself. And don't blame another human for being unwell, because you have to take responsibility for yourself. This is what it's about. So if someone like me is telling you right now to go and get yourself some D3 supplements with K2, that's one example here, go and take those supplements, and do not stop taking those supplements, because they are going to really benefit your wellness. One thing I'm asking you to do, guys, there are more things that I could tell you to do, but one thing, it's easy just to do that one thing, right? Don't be lazy. If you can take medication, you can take one pill. But you do have to start listening to your body here, guys. And really, we're all in this together, unfortunately. We're all falling out with each other because some people disagree with each other on the V and the not the V. At the end of the day, we should all be taking care of our own health and immune system. So anyways, please just think about your immune health here. That's all I wanted to say. And hopefully this book will be with you in a few more weeks. How to Beat Coronavirus Naturally. I do have videos on YouTube that I've made on gut health in the past few years. This is not a new thing to me, I have been doing this for a very long time now. It's my ultimate passion, guys, just to make you healthy. This is why I do the job that I do. I'm not here to disagree with people. I just want to make you stay well. So enough with the hate towards one another, and just think about your own body and your own health. And if you want that V, that's your body, it's your choice. But I'm just trying to teach you that it could go wrong, and just to be aware of that. I'm a truth speaker. That's who I am. I'm not here to bullshit anyone. So anyways, take care of your health, and always sending you lots of love and wellness.